Ililit tuluganay, wala diri imo nanay, kadto tienda bakal papay. Ililit tuluganay.
I live here.
No, you're
With D na get in.
2 times na yan ba?
With D na, with D. Why are you? Wala ka naman gabinuhan.
It's not your house. Who are you? Just say your name. Doang na yung pamilya pa ba? Doang na din. Binuang na yung pamilya pa. What's your name? Just say your name now.
I was hurt.
Ay, nasakpan.
Who hurt you?
Not exactly. Not necessary.
What do you mean?
Wala ka makikuha na.
Sabi ang bigat na pakiramdam.
Yan yung tigsa mukha-mukha niya. Yung tigsa mukha-mukha.
Kahapin na ba?
Tama. Sige.
Ano ka?
I want it.
What do you want? Camera? You want the camera? You want the camera? Do you want the camera? What? Did you do this? Did you do that?
Failure.
Tayo ba sinabi ng failure?
I'm eternal.
No.
Baya kami, tuyo lang ako una.
Who are you?
Touch you.
She will touch you.
Oh.
What?
Oh. Kadali.
She will touch touch me. Touch me. Where are you?
Why are you asking?
Ba't ka nagtatanong?
So happy.
Punta. Directing question. Directing question.
I'm asking because who are you? Just say your name. You're refusing my question.
Experiment.
Experiment? What? What experiment? What experiment? Let's do this. What experiment? Ahon siya kay mitumba ba iyan? Ahon siya kay mitumba. Ma. Oh. Example guys, example kung iyan madetect na yung tao man yun na madetect. Pero ini kita, nag-ingkot niya. Siya siguro ito katong baon. Oh! Wow, it's a rip! Kaina rin mo. Uy! Kaina ra siya ng rip, guys. Kaina ra siya ng rip. Oh! Oh! Tinuod kay to ni. Kahit yung basta doon. Just say your name now. Stingin. Definition.
I'm not sure.
What?
Sigurado man.
You don't know what's your name?
Ate mo, pag-go mo boy.
Are you girl or boy?
Dahil question.
Grabe kay panibawon ko ng pag kung ay natumba. What type of ghost are you?
Why are you asking? Hindi magsabay-sabay kay.
Are you still here? Masinaw pagkagya ko sir. Huwag ang sinang.
Very much.
What?
Very much here.
Nilang ko gaya na. Clip na ba? Itong isang pagkaon. What do you mean very much? What do you mean very much? Uy. Wata nila. Kung totoo ka, paandarin mo tong electric fan kahit walang kuryente. Sige daw, paandara ko, no? Oo. Paandara daw. Paandarin mo ngayon na.
Clockwise.
Clockwise.
Hindi, baon yan ba?
Bato o bawal? Wala, yay sense. Di ba minuta na ako paandaron ang electric fan? Clockwise o kuan? Hala ka man, no? Sige nga. Paandarin mo ngayon yung electric fan. Paandarin mo yung electric fan ngayon na. Or pagalawin mo yung shuttlecock. Diyan. Ngayon, pagalawin mo na yung shuttlecock.
Unsure.
Unsure? Di siya sigurado nga mabuhat niya. Sige daw.
I'm following you.
I'm follow. What? Oh, ayaw na ginang. Ayaw lang. No, suko si Hermes. Sige, may buga na kami yan eh. Who are you? Just say your name. You still following me? Who are you? Hindi kami natatakot sa'yo. Just say your name. Oh, winasak mo tong laruan ni FC. Winasak mo. Kung magagawa mo to, gawin mo rin ang shuttlecock. Gawin mo rin sa shuttlecock. Gawin mo.
Can you hear her?
Who? Who? No, I can't hear. Who is she? Who is she? Just say. You're not answering my question. Just say it.
She can't stay.
Who? Sabihin mo na. Tagalog, English, grabe naman. Hindi ka pa nakakaintindi. Kaya sinasabi ko sa'yo, paggalawin mo yung shuttlecock, kundi panda rin mo to. Electric pan. Where are you? Are you still following me? Are you still following me? Who are you?
Sleep.
Sleep. Are you sleeping? Where? Where are you sleeping?
Show yourself.
Which room? Which room? Are you in sofa or bed? Grabe, damage kay sa buhok. Tumba ni Gaina. What?
Unfortunate.
Na. Pwede palang kumutagalog ay. English ka pa ng English, hindi ako makaintindi. Manusbreed ako dyan. Galawin mo na yung shuttlecock. Dali na. Hindi kami natatakot sa'yo. Kung sino ka. Hindi mo sasabihin ang pangalan mo. Sabihin mo lang ang pangalan. Tinara mo no?
Wala ka niya ang laba.
Tinara mo.
Ito dun.
Tanaw na naman. No?
Sensible.
Is there a spirit here? What the heck? Is there a spirit here? Are you in kitchen? Because we see a ghost in refrigerator. We see a ghost in refrigerator, I repeat.
Adam.
Adam? Is that your name? Adam? Is that your name? Wah! Oh, sige.
Bakit naman nagyapon ako?
Bakit ang gyapon man? Amay ng detector. Ito da. Bujera lang. Detector. Yan. Puti ba yan? Puti. Kung touch ko iyan, gapuwa. Pasabot yung ghost. Ga-touch. Iyan kung wa na. Gaputi na siya. Yan. Otro i-touch ko. Haon. Touch ko.
Ayan, nakita dito.
Diba? Sa mga di naniniwala dyan, totoo to. Totoong totoo. Tumbaga na itong duwaan na ni Ipsy.
Missing.
Missing. Who's missing? Can you knock the door here? Can you knock the door? If you hear, knock the door now. If you're here, knock the door. Are you here? Knock the door now. What? Can you repeat it again? Can you repeat it? Oh, anay ko, hayo. Kaya ko, hayo. Hayo. Oh, hayo ako, hayo. Can you repeat it? Grabe.
Asylum.
Asylum. Oh, tana. Ano yun kita? Grabe. Tinoon. So guys, ito na kay buga pa. Relax na kami. Sige, salamat sa pag-atod.